You all good or very good? Very good. I want proof. How do I believe that you are good? Ha 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 ha. Fake, fake, fake. Chalo. Ha 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 ha. Okay, shall we have tea? You are all dull. Let's have 1 cup of tea. Huh? Chalo, mix, mix. Mix, mix. Everybody, mix, mix. Mix, mix. Uncle, chai mix karo. Chai mix karo. And pio pio. Chi 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 chi. You thought I'll allow you to drink tea? Mix, mix. Hello. Chalo. Chi. 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 कोई हंसता ही नहीं है तुम्हारे सिवा. Why we are throwing the tea? Why should we throw the tea? Tea will dehydrate. Huh? Tea will dehydrate our body. Tea contains lot of harmful toxins, tannin, nicotinin. So it is very bad for health. It will not give proper digestion. Okay, okay, fine. So coming to the Gyan Yoga, last time we learned, no? What did we learn in Gyan Yoga? How to, if whatever Gyan is there that we apply, that application converts Gyan into Gyan Yoga. We should go to sleep early. If we are sleeping early, in that point we are Gyan Yogi. So Gyan Yoga is given by Lord Shri Krishna in Bhagavad Gita through so many shlokas. So posture science is given by Lord Shiva. But theoretical yoga is been given by Lord Shri Krishna. So Lord Shri Krishna is known as Yogeshwara and Lord Shiva is known as Yogeshwara, Adi Yogi. So in short, practical yoga, Lord Shiva. Theoretical yoga, Lord Shri Krishna. So in Kurukshetra war, in Mahabharat Yuddha, there were one side Pandavas and the other side Kauravas. There was a Bhishan Yuddha, one side Dharma, one side Adharma. Adharma side, more strength, more strong people, Bhishma Pitama. If he is there, nobody can defeat that particular team. That much powerful. One man show. Guru Dronacharya, great Guru, Mahan Guru Dronacharya, that side. Adharma side. Also Karna, elder brother of Pandavas, he also the other side. Very strong team. And here very weak teams, soldiers also 2 lakh and they are somewhere 11 lakh, something like that approximately. Something like that. So then this, but their weight was dharma. And that side, adharma was there. So Arjuna, Lord Shri Krishna wanted Arjuna to kill and Lord Shri Krishna wanted to help. Arjuna is telling, oh Lord Shri Krishna, why are you telling me to do this sinful act? You are telling me to kill my great-grandfather who on his lap I have played my childhood. The great Guru who has taught me the Vidya and to him only you want me to use that Vidya? My elder brother Karna, how can I kill? And so many cousins, how can I kill them? There is something called ethics. Instead, I will not go for kingdom. I don't want half share of the kingdom. I would rather go to Himalaya and I'll do tapasya. I don't want bloodshed. Who said? Arjuna said. My hands are shivering. I'm not able to hold the Gandiv. My body is hot. My mind is bewildered. The way one cannot catch the wind, like that, I'm not able to catch my mind. So what Shri Krishna is answering, how he is convincing him, why he wants him to fight, that through shloka he said. So would you like to chant that shloka, or shall I only chant and explain the meaning? If you chant, you will go into meditative mode. Would you like to join? I'll chant, you can repeat. Arjun Uvacha Chanchalam Himana Krishna Mana Krishna Pramadhibalavadrudam Pramadhibalavadrudam Chanchalam Himana Krishna Krishna Pramadhibalavadrudam Tasyaham Nigraham Manye. Everybody. Tasyaham Nigraham Manye. Vayoriva Sudushkaram. Riva Tasyaham Nigraham Manye. वायोरिव सुदुष्करम् श्रीभगवान् उवाच असंशयं महाबाहो मनो दुर्निग्रहं चलम् ग्रहं चलम् असंशयं महाबाहो मनो दुर्निग्रहं चलम् अभ्यासेन तु कौन्तेय वैराग्येण च गृह्यते अभ्यासेन तु कौन्तेय वैराग्येण च गृह्यते ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे ज्ञानयोगश्लोकसंग्रहः हरिः ओम तत्सत् हरिः ओम तत्सत् हरिः ओम तत्सत् Feel the divinity, positivity by chanting itself. Feel the trupti, adbhut anubhuti. Let's learn meaning. Slowly open your eyes. So, Lord Shri Krishna said, yes, indeed, mind is difficult to control. The way we cannot control, we cannot catch air, vayu, pavan, like that, we cannot control our mind, but it is not so difficult. Abhyasena Kaunteya, O Kunti Putra, Arjun, with abhyas, regular systematic abhyas of yoga, regular scientific practice of yoga. Every day, if we do yoga, body will be under control. Body will become flexible like a spring. If body is under control, then breath will be under control. If breath is under control through certain pranayam, if you are able to hold the breath with after breathing out, if you are able to hold for at least 1 minute, that is called little breath control. After inhaling, if you are able to hold the breath for at least 1 minute, that is called little breath control. If body is under control, if breath is under control, then mind will be in our control. Otherwise, there is no control. So, what is very important? Regular systematic yoga. Once you do, you can get sharp clarity in the mind. Focused, you will be focused in your mind, and then you can understand that ethics is important, but duty is more important. See, your tata, your grandfather is into side of wrong. Your guru is inside of wrong. Your elder brother is inside of wrong. Oh Mahabahu, Ashanshayam Mahabahu, oh mighty armed Arjun, when you are physically and mentally, you are meant to uh, to reduce adharma, and your mind is following dharma, your body is okay, your mind is following dharma, so you should fight with them. If you don't fight, you are also as good as taking their side. Maun rehna is also very bad. If somebody is doing injustice, if you are not raising your voice, it is a sin. So duty is more important. See, if India Pakistan war is there, and Pakistani soldier, when coming inside, Indian soldier keeping banduk in the hand, should I kill, should I kill, no, no, it's not ethical, why should I do murder, no, should I do, by the time he'll come and he'll ruin our entire country. So duty first, ethics later. If our elders also doing anything wrong, it is our duty to tell them that this is not correct. If possible, try to change them. If not possible, at least tell them, no, this is wrong. At least I will not do this wrong thing. That much guts we should have. So then Arjun got clear mind, clear clarity, and he became ready to fight. And Shri Krishna said, I have to reduce this adharma, and then only for that I am using you and Draupadi as a tool, as a sadhan. So I will guide you. You please do it. If you do, people will remember. Today we are remembering them, no? Who will remember us and our father, our tata, nana? Anybody is remembering? Nobody, because we have not done so great job. We believe in ethics. Shri Krishna said, ethics also important, but not at the cost of duty. Duty first, ethics later. And adharmi is doing adharma. If like this, if we leave them, adharma will proliferate and Sansar will become worse living. Good people cannot breathe happily. They will be always exploited. So we have to reduce bad people being good. Okay, that's what Shri Krishna answered. So two things we learned today. What two things? First, yoga is inevitable. Not only for body, but also for breath and mainly mind. Mental clarity, focus, what is right and wrong. Okay, and second thing, we have to do our duty first, and then ethics. If elders are doing wrong, we should have mouth to speak. For that, we have to follow dharma. If we are only not following, then how can we say anything to our parents? Okay, keep this eyes closed. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Inhale. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Coming. Cups your palms, keep it on your eyes. Relax your eyes. Massage your forehead, face, and slowly open your eyes. Thank you. Hari Om. Namaste. Vande Mataram. So Gyan Yoga is not here only, still a very big subject.